Hi there. Hope you are doing well. So here we have the direction for question uh, for the passage is answer the following questions based on the information given below. Well, we have understood the text and understood the tone and style of the text. Um, so let's move to the question first. The question stated which context would be the most appropriate continuation for the fifth paragraph of the passage. Now, if you talk about that, the the text, which context would be the most appropriate continuation to the fifth paragraph of the passage? Now, in that case, the choices are given here. Global culture influences on temperament development. Second, cultural factors in infant temperament variability. And third, cross-cultural impacts on infant temperament formation. And fourth, broadening understanding of infant temperament across cultures. Now, in this case, if I look at the first option, global cultural influence on temperament development, right? Uh, this option cannot be called as a continuation of the fifth paragraph of the passage, as we can find out this option is too broad. It's nothing but too broad, right? And doesn't specifically address the variability, right? Too broad and doesn't specifically address the what variability discussed in the paragraph. The focus is on the differences observed rather than the global influence as a whole, right? So therefore, option one cannot be called as a continuation to it. So option two, cultural factors in infant temperament variability. Now, option two, right? Um, and if you look at the option three also, cross-cultural impacts on temperament formation, we can say that option three is relevant. It is a slightly broader point and less precise than option two, right? So as the paragraph is focused on variability in temperament, not just the overall formation, isn't it? In that case, you can find out option two and three cannot be taken as the answer, right? Option four even, known as a what? Understand, broadening understanding of infant temperament across culture. Now, this option means which is taken as the incorrect one. So we can find out the topic is not about the broadening understanding of temperament across cultures, right? Cultures, but more specifically the variability, the temperament due to you can say cultural factors. Hence, we can say option four and three are eliminated. But if you observe the option two, the that is the correct answer. Why? Now, the fifth paragraph of the passage discusses the finding of a study by Putnam, right? By Putnam, and also you would find out Gradstein, Putnam and Gradstein. So that's what you would find out, Samuel Putnam. And you can also talk about the other one, which is called as a Gradstein, which highlights the differences in temperament among infants and children from, you can say that 18 different countries, right? 18 different countries, right or not? So this paragraph suggests that temperament might be shaped by broader cultural factors DNA, rather than just DNA, right? So 18 different countries, by linking differences in temperament to country of upbringing rather than to more immediate factors, studies such as these suggest that temperament might be shaped not only by one's DNA or the habit of one's parents, but also by the broader culture in which a child is immersed, including its tradition, values, belief, and other social convention. So cultural factors in infant temperament variability. So in that case, you can say option two is the most appropriate continuation, as it directly ties into the idea that the temperament of infants varies across different cultures, right? So as shown by the studies mentioned. It would elaborate on how specific cultural factor contribute to these object differences. So in that case, option 2 is the most appropriate. Whereas option 3 stated cross-cultural impacts on infant temperament formation. Now 3 is relevant, but it's not like most appropriate in compared to option 2, right? So hence we can say option 2 would be the correct answer to it. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.